Hello and welcome. In this session, we're going to explore data cleaning, a crucial step in ensuring accurate and reliable analysis. Clean data leads to better decisions, more trustworthy insights, and fewer costly mistakes. So, let's dive right in. Before we can analyze data, we need to make sure it's accurate and free from errors. Data cleaning helps remove inconsistencies, missing values, and duplicate records, ensuring that businesses make decisions based on reliable information. Without proper cleaning, data can lead to misleading conclusions and wasted resources. That's why many organizations set up automated processes to catch and correct errors before they cause problems. Now let's talk about some of the most common data quality issues that can impact analysis. One major issue is missing values. It can result in incomplete analysis and inaccurate insights. Duplicate records create redundancy, inflate numbers, and can lead to incorrect reporting. Inconsistent formats, like different date formats or varying units of measurement, can make it difficult to merge datasets. And then there are outliers, values that stand out significantly from the rest. These can distort averages and predictions, so they need to be handled carefully. Handling missing data. When dealing with missing data, the first step is to assess how much is missing and whether it affects the overall analysis. In some cases, removing incomplete records is the best option. Alternatively, we can fill in missing values using the mean, median, or mode, a technique called imputation. For more complex datasets, machine learning models can predict and fill in missing values while preserving data integrity. The goal is to find a balance, retaining as much information as possible without introducing bias. Handling duplicates. Duplicate records can appear due to manual data entry errors, system glitches, or merging multiple datasets. Thankfully, there are easy ways to detect and remove duplicates. Excel has a built-in Remove Duplicates feature, which is great for small datasets. SQL allows us to write queries to find and eliminate duplicate rows automatically. And for large datasets, Python's Pandas library provides efficient ways to clean up duplicates while keeping important information intact. Standardizing data formats. To maintain consistency in a dataset, it's essential to standardize formats. For example, dates should follow a uniform structure, like MM/DD/YY, to avoid confusion. Categorical data like yes-no responses should be consistently coded as 1 and 0 or yes and no, instead of mixed variations. Standardizing numeric values, such as currency conversions and decimal rounding, ensures accuracy across different regions. These small but essential steps simplify comparisons and prevent errors in calculations. Dealing with outliers next, let's discuss outliers, data points that are significantly different from the rest. If left unchecked, outliers can skew averages, mislead trends, and reduce model accuracy. One way to detect outliers is using the interquartile range, IQR, which helps identify values that fall outside the normal spread of the data. Another method is the z-score, which standardizes values and highlights extreme deviations from the mean. Visual tools like box plots and scatter plots also help in spotting unusual data points quickly. Once detected, outliers can be removed, adjusted, or analyzed separately, depending on their impact. Automating data cleaning. To save time and reduce human errors, businesses often automate data cleaning. Python's Pandas library provides powerful functions to clean, transform, and manipulate large datasets efficiently. OpenRefine is another great tool that helps with detecting inconsistencies and structuring unorganized data. By automating repetitive tasks like data validation, deduplication, and format standardization, analysts can focus more on insights and decision-making. Best practices in data cleaning. To maintain high-quality data, it's important to follow best practices. Keeping clear records of the data cleaning process ensures transparency and reproducibility. Establishing standardized workflows prevents inconsistencies when working with large datasets. Regular data audits help catch errors early and improve overall accuracy. And most importantly, keeping proper documentation ensures that future analysts can understand and replicate the process efficiently. Closing and next steps. That brings us to the end of this session on data cleaning. By applying these techniques, we can ensure that our datasets are accurate, consistent, and ready for analysis. Thank you for joining, and see you in the next session.